Hey, how long have you been bleeding out? If we could get a good throw to get on that building.
Yeah.
So they just ran across the window.
Don't waste it. Did they?
Ran across.
How close?
That window, he was close.
Alright, basically, we have to hold that position. QRF is with the nuke right now. What? So we've got that. We have to hold off Kilo.
That's not happening.
This wall.
Dude, we need to get out of here. That's the worst thing right there.
You're not gonna hit
Yeah,
it.
don't do that.
That's
Medic.
Was it?
Yeah, ricochets don't count.
All I heard was the helmet ring.
Bang, bang.
Friendly.
I got this side lock thing. Yeah, watch it window plus the punches. This is.
You might come this one, though, they're gonna pop.
Okay, kids.
How much longer is that QRF going to be with the nuke?
Come out on this side wall. Okay? Lock it down. Good. Got it.
We need to try and get out of the building, though, no matter what.
There's nowhere for us to go.
My squads are not on the nuke. Over. You're hit. Hey. Yeah. Don't. What the hell?
It was another ricochet. Just stay down.
Bang, bang. Bang, bang.
I can try, but we're having heavy fire. Copy that. How do you?
Bang, bang. You want to parlay on that or not?
That truck's on the road. Here it comes. Justin, you don't want to get down, bub.
Okay, the vehicles aren't supposed to be able to come to our fob. What's going on?
Here it is! Justin, come on!
I see it. Get ready.
You can see the gunner hit him. God bless him. Get that motherfucker.
TL, I can hear you. Get down. This truck, is it even hostile? Wait, there's dead guys in it. I only see dead guys in the back. It might be a medevac thing or something.
Medevac, leave it. They're getting ready to make a big attack up the hill.
They are?
Yeah.
Hey, we got a big attack coming up the hill, TL.
There's like, are you right?
Coming up the hill.
Alright, we'll get back in your position. And then push you on. Hey, don't abandon your position. Go lose ground. Keep fighting.
I'm out. I'm on my third.
wounded, start moving this way.
Yeah, medic over there.
We got it. Go.
All right, hey, bud. See the guy right there?
Yeah.
Oh, hang on. Other medic got him.
Thank God.
Oh, that guy was a medic.
Shit.
Damn it, this is down.
Yep, they're coming on. Not only are they right there, they're directly right to your 12, like where you're looking right here.
Okay.
Yeah, you're a medic.
Okay.
Oh my God.
We got hospital at the rear.
More than 100. Oh, we're getting hit from the back too.
Are we really?
Yeah, we're getting hit from the sandwich. We're getting sandwiched right now.
Shit, how did they get around
They're
it?
gonna pull our forces.
That's
from
probably
here.
why our MC team hasn't made it back yet. They can't get to it. PL, this is... Casey, you see that guy right there? Right in the opening there. You can reel him, bro. I don't see him. Right there in that opening. You see him? Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yo, TV's down. Right there. Go. Wait, don't come to me yet. Hold on. Hey, if you can call back.
Yep. Shit, now, watch out. Keep over there. Reloading. Oh, God. What the heck was that? Goodness. Anybody know how much longer we got? I gotta get a Alright, Silas, can you see him right now?
Got him. Got him. Justin. Cowboy.
I think I got one. Shit. Taking more fire. Alright, there's at least one or two. 8 minutes! Hey, we need more people here on the right side.
How much time we got?
We got 7 minutes left.
Hold it! Right side! They're coming right there.
Yeah, there's a lot of enemies right there on the right. Try to pop the gunner if you can, Silas. He's crawling. Where? How far? Hey, the truck's coming up behind us.
Can you crawl back to us? Hey, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Yeah, I need a medic.
Right there.
Out. Sit.
No, get down, get down, get down.
Down.
Wait, from which direction? That's not out of bounds? No, they're not out of bounds.
Is that friendly? Hit!
It's flying right over my head.
Hit!
Dead man walking.
Oh, those are the refs. You scared me there.
Yeah, don't worry. I saw it. Watch right side.
Oh, damn. I see it right there. Movement. Got movement on the right. Oh. Hit. Silas, where's that shit coming from?
Fucking everywhere. That's where the fuck it's coming from. I just got 4 of them.
Nice. Oh, damn, you get that guy?
Dude, the fucking Justin, they just dropped out of that truck. There's like 10 of them. They're all to the left.
Hey, shoot behind us. They're coming out of the truck. Shit, hit. Hit. Medic.
Hit! Medic!
Medic.
Medic!
I don't think there's any medics left.
Logan.
Wow, that was a lucky fucking shot he got.
Yeah, they're back there. They're behind us.
Oh, God, sorry.
Here comes a gunshot, bro.
God.
Gun truck, gun truck, gun truck, gun truck.
Let me get him,
Hit it!
Push him hard, go!
Medic! Medic!
Go. Medic! Medic!
You're back in.
Oh, God! Man, dead! Dead man! Dead! Oh, shit. I'm walking back too far. What team is that?
What?
Marco! Marco, on the road! Hit! Oh, shit! Hit!
All right, MG Team 1, get on point with Spencer. MG 2, that's you. Be watching our right flank, okay?
Okay. I need a pistol now so I can go forward. Yeah. Fun.
Well, there's no more room on that building. We gotta wait for it to clear out.
Like shit, everybody's ducking over there.
Is there a platoon leader over here?
I see yellow tape.
That's squad leader.
Oh, you said platoon leader.
Yeah. Hey, those are some of the guys from our... You guys hold here. I'm gonna go talk to the squad leaders.
Go.
Hey, squad leader.
I'm a comms officer, no squad leader.
Okay, comms officer. You were with second platoon, weren't you?
Fifth.
You know, you were
yeah,
fifth
second,
squad.
yeah, fifth.
Okay, are you joined up with first platoon now? Because our PL's gone.
Guys, don't stand here. Get in the fight.
All right, where's the PL? What's the objective right now?
Push that hill and take that hill.
All right, G7 over here.
In here, dig into this tree line cautiously. Watch your left flank. Don't smoke our guys. Put pressure on them from the left. Let's get in this fight, guys.
Isn't that the right?
All right, go ahead. Listen to the man. Push in. I'll be right behind you. All right, the objective is to take this hill. That's quite a hill. Hey guys, just keep pushing forward. Go from cover to cover.
Hit him. Hey guys, we have intel that the nuke is to the left of the truck. The truck is down here.
Okay.
Alright. Hey, I see the truck. Here
Harder.
Move, truck.
in front of you.
Huh?
Justice.
Yeah.
Truck. Justin, right here.
Where?
Right here, truck.
Shit, I don't see it.
Right through here. Right in front of me. I think I see it.
I don't see it, but I believe you. All right, you guys move down there. There's rocks too.
That'd be so funny if I got in it, started shooting from the top of it.
All of G7, keep moving down the hill.
Keep moving down?
Yeah, find your next piece of cover and run for it.
New battery? Move to the right. To the right. You good? Yeah.
I really cannot go 5 seconds without my brother falling.
PL, this is G7. How copy?
Negative. Everybody
Come on, come on, come on.
down the valley. Over.
All right, Silas, where's this building?
There's a building directly down. Go.
Do the trucks have LMGs on them?
They do, but they're not manned.
Okay, well that could change real quick.
Exactly. That's why we need to act now. Three people on the hill to the left. Justin, if we can get G7, keep moving this way.
All right, G7, we're going mobile. Keep moving.
Hey, get up here. We're moving.
What is G7 doing? Ken. Come on. Where's the rest of our squad mates?
There's 2 guys down there.
G7 is moving this way!
Yeah, what's up?
We're still waiting on them. They're reloading.
All right, well, get them to hurry up. How much action are you guys getting down here?
Too much. I don't think they've seen.
Is there anything in that building there?
Not that I know of. I haven't
Okay.
shot at it.
All right, we're getting ready to take it. Do you want to help us? Who's your squad leader?
I don't. G9.
Is your squad leader here?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Well, you can roll with us if you want to, or you can stay here. It's up to you.
I'll roll with you.
Miller, team lead G3.
Second thought, you guys stay here, so whenever we get in that building, if they start like getting on the walls of the building, you can pop them off before they shoot us through the windows.
Okay.
G7, come on! Again? Good gosh. All right, you 3, start moving towards that building, okay?
Oh, weren't we going to go further around?
Well, the building's right here.
Yeah, if we get in it, we're screwed. Look, I'm up on top of that hill.
Yeah, but we've got people up here too. I mean, we can keep going around if you want.
I mean, I still thought that's what the plan was.
Not that I was tracking. Wait, hang on, hang on. Shit, okay, that way's a no-go now. Keep flanking further around.
Yeah, no.
Medic! Jesse! Where is he?
He's still back over them, I think.
What's up with these guys? Are you guys all hit? Okay, cool. Well, where's their spawn then?
Parking lot.
Is it? Them? The enemy team?
Oh, that's the enemy team?
Yeah, that's some of the madmen.
I didn't know.
Medic! Hang on, I'm gonna go find him. Jesse! Jesse!
Hey, Silas, I think our guys have already got that hill.
I'm gonna try to find a medic for you guys. Start crawling up the hill if you're hit. Medic! Dang, where did he go? Jesse's MIA. I have no idea where he is. Nobody knows. He probably got double tapped without someone seeing and had to like go back to respawn or something. We've got...
Yeah, I think we just took that hill.
Okay, good, because we got a bunch of hurt people. Two people from our team are hurt down there. Does green hold the hill?
Real world emergency.
Oh, real world. Hey, real life! Real life! What's going on? Silas, how's it looking?
There's a guy in this building.
An enemy?
Yeah. Spencer ran down there and ran into the building and died. What? You're behind us? Yeah. Hey, if we regroup with Jesse.
Hey, we got
No, we don't know what happened to Jesse.
we got people behind
All
us
right,
too.
hey, is anyone a medic?
No, we don't have any medics.
There's a medic over here.
shot over here by black. As I was standing at that tree right there.
Yo, they're probably coming in behind us.
They are coming.
Hey, yeah, there's a whole bunch of them up there at the barn.
All right, we need to get out of this area.
Yeah.
Solid. We got a ton of them at the barn. Like a lot. Like.
Okay, it's probably not. Yeah, probably not. But we were still boxed in.
Yeah, oh shit.
Ah, they're shooting at us.
I can't tell. I think they're friendly.
Those are green.
Is that friendly?
Yeah, green's friendly.
Gotta figure out how to get out of here.
Man, you'll probably just have to go respawn. There's no medics. Wait for a medic and then after 5 minutes, just go back. G7! Where is G7? I need you guys to come towards me.
Where the hell y'all gonna be?
I think we're trying to push this way, man, but everything's falling apart. You have to do your best to get back to us, I guess. Hey, where's the MG team? Are they with you?
Bad, dude. They got no medics, and we're all dying over here.
G7! Ah, that guy doesn't even know what team he's on anyway. Alright, come on, we're gonna go push this way, I guess. I really...
G7 just got hella sparks over here. Look at what is this?
Yeah.
4-man team.
Silas, we don't have medics. The best thing we can do is just keep randomly linking up with people and pushing forward. Cause shit's going down fast, and I don't really know what to do at this point.
Survivors, there's 4 of us. Hit!
Where you hit from?
Back there.
Oh, hit! Ah! That shot me in the teeth. Are we ever gonna get our medics back? Like, what happened? We used to have 2.
I don't know where they went.
Yeah, well, your son, he wanted to change teams, I guess. Or not teams, he wanted to change roles. And then my brother, he just, I don't know what happened. I guess he got killed and left to respawn and can't find us or something.
I don't even know where my phone is.
Do what?
I don't even know where my phone is.
Yeah, I don't know either. He was with us, and then,
And the other boy that's with the Jackson, I really don't know where he went.
yeah, me neither.
Well, I disappeared for a while. I had to go back and put it back together again.
This is probably going to be about it for squad leadership. After this, we're going to be on our own. Just doing whatever.
I'm about done anyway.
We got 2 hours left.
I'm gonna have to go up there and hunt the BBs down.
Yeah.
I got more of them somewhere. There's a big Tupperware container sitting on the back porch up there. It's got millions of them in it, but digging them all out is
Yeah, and you got to be careful not to get dirt in there either.
I don't care what this whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta take a hold anyway.
I heard him moving around in the building somewhere.
Are you hit?
No.
No, other guy.
No, I know it's malfunctioning.
What do those bangs even mean?
Game over?
No, game's supposed to run till 8.
What?
Well, sounds like someone got pissed off. Game over? We got like 2 hours left.